Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add stores to your worksheet in Easy Manage Mobile Pro. Whether you're adding stores by route or selecting them individually, I'll show you each step in detail. As you open the Easy Manage Mobile Pro app, you'll see the main dashboard with several icons below. Here, you'll find below the routes icon, it allows you to add all stores within a selected route. This is useful when servicing multiple stores in a specific area on the same day. And the stores icon lets you add individual stores to your worksheet, giving you full control over which stores to work on. Now that you know where to find these icons, let's go ahead and add stores to your worksheet. If you need to add all stores within a specific route, tap the routes icon. This method is useful when you have multiple stores to service in one area on the same day. Simply select the route that needs to be serviced. But before we proceed, let's first go over the color definitions on the store listings. Each store listing is color-coded for quick reference, helping you easily determine whether a store can be serviced. Let's go through what each color means. A gray store means it can be serviced. You can select it and add it to your worksheet as needed. A dark gray store means it has already been selected to be added to your worksheet. This confirms that the store is ready for service. A red store cannot be serviced at this time. This is because it has already been assigned to an active worksheet, preventing duplicate assignments. A goldenrod store serves as a warning. This store should not be serviced because it is within its scheduled service frequency. However, if servicing is necessary, you may proceed only with prior approval from your manager. Once approval is granted, select the store number and tap the OK button to add it to your worksheet. Now that you understand what each color represents, you can quickly determine whether a store can be serviced or if it requires approval. But what if you need more details about a specific store? To access details for a specific store, simply tap on the store name. This will open a detailed view containing important information about the store's service status and history. First, you'll see the store contact. This is the primary contact person for the store, making it easy to communicate with the right individual when needed. Next is the primary servicer, which identifies the assigned servicer responsible for this location. This helps ensure that the correct personnel is handling store visits. The last worked field shows the most recent date the store was serviced. This allows you to track past visits and determine when the next service might be needed. Under Open Tasks, you'll find any pending tasks that need to be completed at this location. Reviewing this section helps you stay on top of important assignments before your visit. The Orders section displays any pending EDY orders associated with the store. Checking this ensures that all outstanding orders are properly managed. You'll also find the last invoice, which provides details about the most recent invoice issued to the store. This helps track past transactions and billing records. Lastly, the last order field shows the most recent order placed by the store. Reviewing this can help anticipate inventory needs and ensure smooth order fulfillment. Lastly, the last order field shows the most recent order placed by the store. Reviewing this can help anticipate inventory needs and ensure smooth order fulfillment. By understanding these key sections, you can efficiently manage store visits, track service history, and stay updated on pending tasks and orders. Always review store information before servicing a location to ensure smooth and accurate operations. Now let's continue adding stores to your worksheet. As you can see, there are no existing worksheets to work on. But don't worry, adding stores is quick and easy. To begin adding stores to worksheet, tap on the stores icon to manually select the stores you want to work on. Simply choose the stores from the list and they will be added to your worksheet. If you prefer to add stores by route, you can follow the same process by tapping on the routes icon instead. This will assign all stores within the selected route to your worksheet. Simply choose the stores from the list and they will be added to your worksheet. If you need to search for a specific store, tap the search icon in the upper part of the screen. This will open a search box where you can enter the store name or account number. The list will filter automatically, making it easy to find the exact store you need. Once selected, the square will highlight, and the Worksheet button at the bottom of the screen will update. Once you've located the store, tap the number icon next to it, and you'll see the Worksheet button update again, reflecting the additional store added. When you've finished selecting the stores you need, tap the Create Worksheet button at the bottom of the screen. This finalizes your selection and prepares your worksheet for the next steps. That's a wrap for our adding stores to a worksheet tutorial. We covered how to add stores using the Roots icon and Stores icon, the color meanings in store listings, and how to check store information like service history, contacts, and pending tasks. In the next video, we'll dive into the store submenu, showing you how to access and navigate key features like invoices, time tracking, tasks, orders, and more. Stay tuned for the next video. See you there!